So for this week's topic, I thought we could have a tea party at the end of the week. So I thought I'd teach you how to make some cookies for our tea party. Okay, so if you come over, I'm going to show you the ingredients. It's just 3 ingredients. 1 egg, 150 grams of plain flour, and then 300 grams of any chocolate spread you'd like. Okay, so I've used this one because it hasn't got nuts in there, but if you haven't got a nut allergy, you can use Nutella, you can use peanut butter, you can use any sort of spread that you like. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add the flour into my bowl, and just reminding you that's 150 grams. And then I'm going to add my egg. So, okay, make sure you get an adult to help you. And then I am going to add my 300 grams of chocolate. It's that easy. We're just going to add everything together. Okay, so step 2, now that all the ingredients are in, you start mixing it. Now I'm using the tablespoon because I'm then going to get my hands dirty and roll them, mix all the ingredients together using my hands. Okay, so make sure your hands are clean. I've washed my hands already. Okay, now I'm going to mix all this up using my hands. Okay, this is the fun part. Okay, we're just going to knead it all together. Okay, so if you carry on doing this, and then when I come back I'll show you the next part. Okay, so now you should have this dough sort of mixture. Now what I did is I added a little bit of milk so I can so it can combine all together. Okay, but just try to check to see if you can get this sort of consistency. Okay, so if you get your adult to help you, I'm sure you can. Now what you're going to do is we're going to make medium-sized biscuits. So I'm just rolling this out on my hand, and then I'm going to put it on the baking tray like that. Okay, I'm going to do another few, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay, that's number 2. Okay, this should be able to make at least maybe 10 to 12 biscuits, and that should be more than enough for your tea party, as long as the tiger doesn't come and eat them all. Okay, right, and then what you need to do is get your fork, and we're going to squash them down like this. Okay, and just a little pattern like that. Okay, that's it. That's all we have to do. Let me do the next one. Okay, and then the 3rd one. Oh, these look like they're going to be some yummy biscuits for our tea party. Right, now I'm going to carry on doing this, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we should all be at this stage now, and we should have flattened our biscuits ready for the oven. Okay, so we're going to put them in the oven, okay, on gasmark 180, and They should go in for about 12 to 15 minutes and they should be done. Right, make sure you keep on watching them and I'll show you what they look like once they've done. Okay, so the cookies are now done, as you can see. They're that lovely and nice. I'm going to put them on my plate and they're ready for our tea party.